If you want to know how I generated this image, this one and this one from this my basic clothing photo here, then watch this video to the end. So we start by clicking on the ChatGPT app. Once it's open, we'll be asked to verify if we're a human. Just do that by clicking on the box, and then you'll be taken to a welcome interface where you'll be asked to log in. Kindly click on login and fill in your details. And then after that, you will see this interface on the app. If you don't have the app, you can use the website. And then click on the plus sign to add your image. You will see upload from computer. Click on the upload from computer, click on the file icon, and then select the image you want to upload. Once that is done, once you've selected the image you want to upload here, you'll be taken to this other interface where you choose open with whatever app you want to use in opening it, and then the image will be shown to you to confirm if this is the image you want to choose or not. Then click on the back arrow and click on the image icon so that it will be uploaded on ChatGPT. After that, go ahead and type in your text prompt. I use the simple text prompt here. You can see it from my screen. Go ahead and type in a detailed text prompt. Make sure to add a realistic, if it's a black model you want, if it's an African model, a white model, whatever you want, just type it in. And then after you're done inputting your text prompt, you go ahead and click on the arrow to send it. Okay, this is me typing in my text prompt. I said, ChatGPT, as an expert image generator, I need you to generate an image of a black model modeling the outfit, the dress rather, on the image I sent to you. And then when I was done, I clicked on the arrow and it was uploaded. Okay, ChatGPT replied me by saying I should give a specific pose or expression or background and model features. If I want the model to be smiling, if I want it to have a specific pose, if I wanted a specific background. So that was so they will be able to give me a detailed and realistic image that I asked for. So I went ahead to type in the model background, the pose, and what have you. I just went ahead to type in what I want, how I wanted the model to come out. I wanted the image to come out. So I went ahead to type it in this second prompt. And then when I was done, I clicked on the arrow and then I say it uploaded. So this is where the image was loading, and it takes a lot of time. You have to be really patient, and voila, we have our image and it's ready. So to save this image, just click on the image like so, tap on it, and then click on this download icon you see at the top right corner, and then you see it file downloaded. So that's all about this tutorial. Please, if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Do well to turn on the notification bell, and I will be seeing you in my next one. Bye.